Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how we can manage cheat fund, and we have recently added some new features, so just have a look. So here from group management, set member account, I will select the cheat fund group, and here you can see these are the members and we need to create the cheat fund account for them. So simply I will click on the, if you want to set the monthly penalty rate of interest also, you can enter here percentage. So I will set here all members account. So you can see all the members account has been created in one click. Now you can just go to the group management and set member account again. Just click on the cheat fund group and refresh. So here this option you can see token. So when you add member to the group, like from the cheat fund group, from here we can generate the token number. So from here we need to set token number, like let's say token is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. So we have generated here token numbers, and if I go to the set member account and select the cheat fund group, just refresh. Here you can see all the token numbers. Now it's visible. So this type we can generate the token number. In the next video we will see this vacant list and replacement list, how it will work. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.